How to add code in Godaddy Web Editor. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add an HTML code or any type of code that you're going to find or need it to add into a section for Godaddy website. Basically, it is going to be very simple. We are going to head over godaddy.com, sign in for an account, and visit the account dashboard by visiting our products. Now, what we're going to do is to find out all of the component or the different, as you can see here, websites that we have, and we're going to select one of them. For example, I'm going to select this one. We're going to face up the dashboard of that website, and then we're going to open up the editor by clicking on the left or right side of the screen to edit website. We're going to wait for this specific, as you can see, square, or name it whatever you want. Click on edit website, and we're going to wait for it. So here we are going to see the website load in. Now, what are we going to do? What are the type of codes that we can add? Basically, we can add only HTML codes, and these HTML codes are going to be the key features. If you're going to have, for example, a verification code, or let's say here, any code that will help you verify or add a tag into your specific GoDaddy website, you need to head over the settings, and each one of the settings are going to be having a specific code added. For example, the Google Analytics, the Metapixel, the Google AdSense verification, or the AdSense script, and etc. These are going to be specific. But if you're going to head over here, you're going basically to add a section for the content of the website. Then we're going to click on Files and Web, click on HTML and add a code. So it is going to add a custom code in it. So here we have the title of the code of the section and also the custom code you're going to put it in here. What type of codes we can add? For example, you can use elf site to have here maybe a specific widget to create. So we can go ahead and select the website of elf site and integrate a code. So you can maybe add a social, let's say here, media like feeds. You can have videos, audios, reviews, chats, whatever, tools also. And we can also add the most simplest code like embedding a Canva design, for example. All you need to do is you head over embed, and then we're going to embed it just like that. And we're going to copy the HTML code, paste it here, just like that. Click on done and wait for it. And this is the form of the code that we can implement or add to our website on GoDaddy. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.